Okay, in this question we're told we've got 4.8 tons of copper oxide. We want to calculate how much carbon is needed to reduce the copper oxide and make copper. Okay, so to help me start, underneath I write down what I've got here. So I've got 4.8 tons of this and I want to find the mass of this. So my first step is we want to convert that 4.8 tons into moles. So my first step is moles of copper oxide, which according to the triangle is mass divided by the MR. So I'm using that Mr. Moore's triangle to do that. So the mass is 4.8. Copper oxide, we're told in the question, has an MR of 79.5. Okay, so a bit of work on your calculator. 4.8 divided by 79.5, and that's giving me an answer of 0.060, and I'm going to go 4 to round that up, moles, okay, of copper oxide. My next job, step 2, is we look at the stoichiometry, the ratio between those two chemicals. So I can see from the balanced equation, I've got 2 moles of copper reacting with 1 mole of carbon. Okay, we've just worked out that there are 0.0604 moles. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is get from here to here to work out that. So let's do the same from here to here. And that means I am dividing by 2. So we need to divide by 2 here. So divide by 2, and that's giving me an answer of 0.0302 moles of carbon. So the final step, we now know how many moles of carbon we've got. What we need to do for the final step is work out the mass of carbon. And according to that triangle, the mass is the Mr times the moles. So carbon's MR is 12. Number of moles is 0.0302. So times that by 12, and that's giving me 0.362, and that's going to be tons because it was in tons at the beginning, and that is a 0 of carbon required.